Hello and welcome to my channel Travel for Life, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can apply for a replacement BRP. You must need to know you need to be in the UK to apply for a replacement BRP. So I will tell you end-to-end process like how you can apply, how you can start your applications and how you can book your appointment. Okay. So from starting your applications till booking your appointment. So everything I will explain in this video. I will not waste your time and directly go to the website and I will show you it step by step process. So just keep following this video till the end to get the maximum benefit. So first you need to search BRP stolen. So first option will give you all this information. So just go through it and read one by one. Mainly you need to go to the BRP Lost and Stolen section, and here you will get the options to apply for a BRP replacement. You must need to remember you must need to be in the UK only to apply for BRP replacement. Okay, so click on the apply for a replacement. You will be redirected to this particular page, so just go through all the information and click on the first options, update, replace and transfer biometric residence permit. You will read all the informations underneath, and then you can click on the apply now. You can read everything, and you can click on the apply now. It will give you this page. You can say no here because you don't have any other application with the home office, and save and continue. Then you can say yes because it's mandatory, and here you need to register your an email address and password so that in future also you can come back and change your applications. Okay, you can save and come back in future. So just create login and password, then it will send you email to verify in your email mailbox. Just when you click on the verify link, it will give you this page, and here you need to enter the password and your email is successfully verified. Now you need to log in and click on the applicant and save and continue. Immigration advisor, you can say no because you're doing for yourself. Category of application, you can give the first option to update, replace and transfer your BRP. Okay, you can read all this informations and you can click on the save and continue. So here all the information whatever you provided will come over here. Okay, so now you need to give your name. So now you're in the second tab application. You need to give your name details. Do you know any other names? You can say no, and then it will ask you for your contact details like email and phone number. So you need to provide all this email and phone number details and click on save and continue. Then you can give your postal address, yeah, like your current address, and then you can provide your relationship status and your nationality and all these details. You can give your passport details over here and all the information like passport number, issue date, expiry date, etc, and save and continue. Then you need to provide your national insurance number. This must be given on your previous BRP which lost and stolen on the backside of the BRP. So now some of the questionnaire you need to fill over here. Conviction, other penalties, you can say no, I have never had any of this, and some more questionnaire will come. You can simply say no and move forward if you have not involved in all these activities. You can say no, save and continue. Indefinitely here also you can say no. Then application, for what type of application, if you are a skilled worker you can give work, or if you are a dependent you can give other and you can enter like dependent. Okay, and save and continue. My current permission, so it will give you these options. So you can say none of these apply here because you are not in these categories. Now it will ask you when you started living in the UK, so you can give all the detail. If you have been out of UK for more than 6 months, then you need to say yes and provide the details. If no, then you need to give the details. Okay, here these are the details like for how many days you were away from the UK. Okay, so you give all your history over here one by one, and do you have here, you can say no. Change of personal details, you can say no here again because you have not changed anything. Do you have any home reference number? You can say no here because you don't have any. And now it will ask you details related to your BRP which got stolen. Okay, so what happened to this? So you can select third option, no, my BRP is lost and stolen, and you can give your previous BRP number over here. Okay, and then click on save and continue. It will ask you the lost and stolen document details like when it lost and how it lost, what are the conditions and all. Okay, and then it will ask you whether have you reported it. You can say yes, and you must have reported on the gov.uk website like when your BRP is lost. Okay, So after that, it will ask you whether you have reported to police. You can say yes. If no, then it is the mandatory condition. You must need to told the police first. Okay, so you need to give the details like when you have given the police report and all. Then you'll get all the details. Then save and continue, and it will ask you for verification consent. Okay, so that home office will verify something related to you. So there are three conditions, three consent form. Show 1, 2 and 3. You can say yes, no, no, it depends. You can read, go through it one by one, and you can see this. Now these are the mandatory documents. So mandatory is one, the proof of address, your current proof of address where your BRP will be delivered. And other document, you need to sign the consent form. Then you can click on save and continue. If there is any other document required, they will mention over here. Now it will give you the list of the documents what are the required, and then save. Then it will take you to the declaration page. Here you can say I'm applicant and I accept the above. So you are accepting all these details, and then it will charge you 38.2 pound. Okay, so it will give you this much amount. You can click save and continue. Then it will give you some informations. So before you proceed, you can read all these things. Okay, and now it will ask you, it will open a world pay website like this, and you need to pay. You can give any international credit card or UK based number, and then your payment is pending. It will proceed in some time. So once your payment is done, you can give payment successful, and you have to link, book the appointment and download consent form. So you can download the consent form and you can sign and upload to the another website, and then you can click on the book appointment. It will open a third party page. Okay, so in third party you need to go and book your appointment. So when you click on book your appointment, it will take you to the third party. So one by one, this is step, you can go through it. So here you can click continue. So now you are getting redirected to third party, and here your session is already stored. So you just need to enter your email address. So email address already shown. You need to enter access my code. So you will get code in your email address. Just confirm your access code here. So your account is being generated on this particular third party website. Okay, so you can set up your account, and here after that you need to log in with the recently created account, and then you can give all the details. Okay, you can book your appointment. Click on the book appointment. It will show you some of the dates, and here also you can upload your documents. Okay, so you can click on book appointment, and there are different options, standard and all. You can select the first one, the book appointment. In normal case it is a standard one only. So once you click on book appointment, it will give you a lot of dates available. Okay, so first of all, you need, it will ask for your nearest location. So you can give your postcode, and it will give you the nearest third party location where you can give biometric. So once you selected your location, then you lot of dates are available, and in this date you can see at what time how much money you need to pay. So you don't select any if you are not in urgency. Just keep go forward like 5-10 days forward, and then you can find that appointment will be at 0 rupees, 0 pound cost. Okay, so like on this 16th August I have selected, and here you can see that at 10:30 it is 0 pound, 10 o'clock 0 pound and all. So just click on any of those and just click continue. So your appointment will be booked at this particular time. Okay, you can select any other services like document services, SMS and all. Those are not required. Document you can upload it by yourself, and SMS you can select it is just for 2 pound per person. Okay, so you can click on that and click on the checkout. It will ask you, give you this page, document scan. You can see skip, and your booking will be done. You need to just, if you have selected any service, then it will ask you to pay. So you can click place order, and it will ask you to pay something. So I have taken SMS, so it is charging me 2 pound. So click on make payment. So once you click on make payment, world pay, again this website will come, and your payment will be successful. Once the payment is done, uh, your booking is confirmed. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to upload your documents. You can click here upload your document, and whatever the documents needed by home office, you just need to upload, like your residence proof and the consent form. In my case, only the two things are needed: residence proof and consent form. So I have uploaded. You can upload by this. So once it is uploaded, everything is done. Just need to visit that appointment date to that office and everything will be done. You can click log out, you can log in again, and you can check if you need anything. So hopefully this video helped you. So if you really like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Travel for Life, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching. Thank you and bye bye.